Today, we'll be exploring the best cordless vacuum cleaners for your home. From powerful suction to extended battery life, these top 5 products offer unique features and benefits to keep your home spotless. And for your convenience, all products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description. And with that in mind, let's get started. Number 1 on my list is the LEVOIT cordless vacuum cleaner priced at $139. This vacuum stands out with its tangle-resistant roller, making it perfect for homes with pets. It offers up to 50 minutes of battery life in eco mode, providing ample time for thorough cleaning. With powerful suction, it easily handles both carpets and hard floors. The lightweight design and ability to lie 180 degrees that allow for you to clean under furniture effortlessly. Its 5-stage filtration system captures 99.9% of particles, ensuring cleaner air in your home. The vacuum includes a range of tools, such as a crevice tool and a pet tool, enhancing its versatility. Users love its quiet operation and long battery life. However, some have mentioned that the handle could be more comfortable for extended use. The canister is easy to empty, making maintenance a breeze. Overall, this vacuum is an excellent choice for pet owners and those looking for a versatile, powerful cleaning tool. Second, we have the Roanow cordless vacuum cleaner priced at $169. This vacuum boasts an impressive 30,000 pascal of suction power, making it highly effective at picking up dirt, debris, and pet hair. It features an all-in-one LED display that shows real-time updates on battery life and mode. The lightweight design at just 2.7 pounds makes it easy to maneuver and use for long periods without tiring your hands. The 7-stage filtration system captures 99.99% of the fine dust, making it ideal for homes with allergies or pets. It offers up to 50 minutes of runtime in eco mode, which is perfect for large cleaning tasks. The extra large dust cup means you don't have to empty it frequently. Users appreciate its powerful suction and ease of use, although some wish it could stand on its own. Its quiet operation ensures minimal disturbance to your household. The vacuum's easy to remove brush rolls and washable filters make maintenance straightforward. This vacuum is perfect for those needing a powerful, lightweight solution for quick and thorough cleaning. Third on the list is the Shark iX 141 pet cordless stick vacuum priced at $179. This vacuum features hypervelocity suction, providing excellent cleaning performance for daily messes and high traffic areas. It offers up to 40 minutes of runtime, which is sufficient for most cleaning tasks. The removable handheld vacuum is perfect for cleaning above floor areas like furniture and stairs. The low profile design allows it to clean under furniture effortlessly. Its extra large dust cup is easy to remove and empty, ensuring a hassle-free cleaning experience. The LED headlights eliminate hidden debris, making it easier to clean dark corners. Users praise its powerful suction and lightweight design. However, some mentioned that it struggles with long carpet strands and the battery life could be better. Despite these minor drawbacks, this vacuum is a great budget-friendly option for pet owners. Its versatility and strong suction make it a valuable tool for any home. Next, we have the ARFUEE cordless vacuum cleaner, which costs $149. This vacuum is known for its powerful 450-watt motor, providing excellent suction to easily clean hard floors, tiles, and carpets. It offers a runtime of up to 50 minutes in eco mode, making it suitable for large home deep cleaning tasks. The lightweight design at only 2.7 pounds ensures that your hands do not get tired even with prolonged use. Its advanced 7-layer filtration system captures 99.99% of particles, making it safe and friendly for homes with babies, elders, or those needing special care. The large LED display provides real-time updates on the vacuum's status, including battery life and suction mode. With a 1.5-liter dust cup, you do not need to empty it frequently. Users highlight its strong suction and versatility, although some have noted that the battery drains quickly and customer service is hard to reach. The vacuum's sleek design makes storage easy, and it comes with a variety of attachments for different cleaning tasks. Despite these issues, this vacuum is ideal for those needing a powerful, lightweight cleaning solution. Finally, the Eureka Rechargeable Handheld Portable Vacuum is priced at $164. This vacuum offers up to 40 minutes of fade-free runtime, making it perfect for quick and thorough cleaning sessions. It features a unique easy rest nook, allowing you to prop the vacuum up on countertops and furniture safely. The LED headlights help you see dust and debris that might otherwise be missed, making cleaning under furniture temperature much easier. Its lightweight design, at just over 5 pounds, ensures easy maneuverability. The vacuum is designed for hard floors and carpets, providing efficient cleaning for various surfaces. Users appreciate its strong pickup power and ease of use. However, some have mentioned issues with battery longevity and durability over time. The vacuum's easy-to-remove dust cup and washable filters make it simple to maintain. Despite these concerns, this vacuum is a great choice for those looking for a reliable, lightweight, and efficient cleaning tool for their home. So each of these cordless vacuums brings something unique to the table. Whether you prioritize suction power, battery life, or lightweight design, there's a perfect option for every home. And don't forget that all products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description. Hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.